Hey guys, my name's Eli, and today it's my pleasure to be your guide. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about why I chose Pitt and why I chose to be a mechanical engineer. So just a little bit about me. I'm a junior mechanical engineering student pursuing a minor in bioengineering. I'm from Wilmington, Delaware, and my hobbies include painting, climbing trees, and cooking all the time. This is Benedum. Benedum is the host of the engineering school at Pitt. This is where I have the majority of my classes and where all engineering classes are mainly held. This is a really great building because it's kind of like a second home for a lot of the engineering students. I know that since all of the engineering school classes are there, I'm constantly seeing friends around the halls between classes or studying or just hanging out. So I really love to be in the building and to see all of the engineering community there. Within mechanical engineering, I find that we have a really wide range of courses. So as a mechanical engineer, you're prepared for whatever industry or whatever profession you're interested in going into after graduation, because you do gain such a wide range of skills and such a wide range of knowledge through the course. Some of the classes that you take are going to be things like thermodynamics, fluid dynamics, electrical circuits, but there's also a really great design and prototyping portion of the class. So one of the coolest things that we did in class was everybody got different challenges or different design challenges that they had to work on. And for my group, we had the challenge that there are really tall shelves that someone needs to be able to access. And so you can actually see a couple of the different designs that I made for class for someone who can pull out a shelf and then flip it down to be able to access the contents. Along with that, you have access to a number of really awesome maker spaces in the basement where you have the chance to work on your own personal projects or projects for class with all types of woodworking materials, 3D printers, laser cutters, or any other fabrication technology that you want. Outside of class, I participate in our co-op program, which means that half the time, every other semester, I will be working full-time as a human factors engineer at Zoll LifeVest. We make a wearable defibrillator device, and I love the co-op program because it gives me a really great chance to use my engineering skill and use all of the knowledge that I gained in class and really apply it to the real world. Along with that, I do research at the Rehabilitation Neural Engineering Labs on campus, and you can actually see something that I've designed for them where I was able to 3D replicate and fabricate a housing for a microchip that they were using. So another really great chance to kind of use what I'm learning in class. Outside of class and outside of work, there's also a lot of fun to be had at Pitt. In my freshman and sophomore years, I had the chance to live in the Honors Living Learning communities, so Sutherland Hall and then Forbes Craig Hall in my sophomore year. And they create a really great environment for all of the students there. And it's a really great chance to make friends inside and outside of the engineering school. On the right here, you'll actually see a picture of me at my first football game with all the kids in my freshman year floor. Along with that, I'm also a member of a number of clubs. So Theta Tau is our professional engineering fraternity. So it's co-ed, and it's a really great chance to meet other engineers and gain some professional development and a lot of experience. Along with that, I also work with the Hillel Jewish Student Union, which is a Jewish group on campus that creates a lot of Jewish experiences. Along with that, there's so much to do in the city of Pittsburgh. We have festivals and a lot of different restaurants, and you can actually see a picture of me at the Heinz Picklesburg Festival last summer, enjoying myself with my family. And it's a really great place to bring your family and just hang out with friends. After graduation, I would love to pursue a career in medical devices. So the next step would either be a master's program where at Pitt you have the opportunity to do the EAGER program, which is a 1-year master's. And I would like to go into the bioengineering master's program. Or I could apply to Fulbright and look towards going abroad for a semester, hopefully in England or Singapore. And eventually along the way, I'll find myself in medical devices. But no matter what, I hope you really learned a lot today about our engineering program, and I hope you choose to hail the Pitt and stay safe and healthy. Thank you guys.